Hazrat Ubayd bin Jurij narrates that he said to Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, O Abu Abdul Rahman, I have seen you doing 4 things which I have not seen being performed by any of your companions. He said, O Ibn Jurayj, what are those? I said, you do not touch any corner of Kaaba except the 2. And I observed that you wear leather shoes having no hair, and dye your hair yellow. I also noticed that when you were in Makkah Mukarramah, the people wore wrapped ihram at the sight of the new moon, whereas you fastened ihram on the day of Tarwiyah, the 8th of Zulhajj. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, as far as the corners are concerned, I never saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam touching any other corner except these 2. As far as sibti, shoes are concerned, I saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wearing the shoes having no hair, and he performed ablution wearing them. So I like to wear the very similar shoes. Regarding the yellow dye, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam using this dye. So I also love to use this dye. And as for ihram wearing or wrapping 2 white sheets, I did not see Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam fastening ihram till his she camel stood up. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 166.